You may.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to episode 7 of this beautiful silver streak Toyota Tacoma that we picked up from Copart just a few short days ago. We are in the final stages of this build. We just can't wait to get it done. So I think what we'll do today, we'll kind of button up a few more things. We'll get these DRLs wired up. We'll get a little bit of black paint, put on the frame rails and under fenders, kind of get that all looking really, really good. We got a brand new set of wheels for this thing. We hope they fit. So we want to get those stuck on there, see how it all looks, just to kind of get this truck finished up, clean up the inside, and let's hop to it and let's get it done. And just like that, guys, we spent a good part of the day working on all this stuff, getting everything blacked up underneath, just buttoning up all the little loose clips and this and that, and fender flares and windshield washer jugs and wiring up the lights. Everything's looking amazing. We busted out the wheels. These things are absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to show them to you. So with that being said, check these wheels out. Alrighty guys, we got this truck all fixed up. Check out these beautiful Fuel Triton 2-piece wheels that we picked up. We think we got a phenomenal deal in them, even though we still have probably $2,000 in the tires and wheels. But those wheels usually cost about $600 or $700 a piece. They're absolutely beautiful. We popped on our TRD off-road stickers. The last ones I got, JP fussed at me. I got a bunch of little stuff. I got the 1-piece sticker this time. This sucker looks absolutely amazing. This truck is really coming together. We're probably sitting here at about 95% done on this truck. But I did want to show you the wheels. I did want to show you the progress. I don't know about y'all, but if you remember the spruce mica, they said we couldn't build a better looking truck. We think that this Silver Streak will definitely give it a run for its money. We think, folks, that that's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you like videos like this and you like the content, drop us a like. It really helps us out. Leave us a comment down below. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there for you too. Until next time, we're out.